In the cities, in the towns and country, we work together. We are many races and religions and nationalities. We are the men and women of America. We are also the children of America. Children of the city and of the country. Light hair, light eyes. Dark hair, dark eyes. The children of America. The children of America. The children of America. The children. Housewife, businessman, weaver, blacksmith, Americans. Blacks, 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 blacks. A German doctor, a Swedish mailman, a Polish fireman, an Irish cop, black Americans. Yet from all these we have developed things which are uniquely American. American architecture, forms of steel. Yet from all these we have developed things which are uniquely American forms of dancing. American things, forms of steel and concrete, the jukebox, 4th of July, American forms of dancing, Thanksgiving Day, American forms of 4th of July, concrete and wedding, Thanksgiving Day. These are some forms of dancing we share as American architecture. We have become American. These are Thanksgiving Day. We share as Negroes. Blacks, 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 blacks. The whole world has contributed its people, and its people have become Americans. America is a land whose people shared what they knew and worked together. America has benefited, and we have benefited. We are the people of America.
Thank you.